This is Elena Mauger reporting from the groundbreaking of the Culinary Arts Institute of Montgomery County Community College in Towamencin Town Square. The National Restaurant Association anticipates significant growth through 2021, resulting in more than 2,800 new culinary jobs in Pennsylvania and 1.4 million jobs nationwide.
The creation of the Culinary Arts Institute at Montgomery County Community College will position us as the region's premier education and training destination for future culinary and pastry arts professionals.
Slated to open in 2013, the 1,500 square foot facility will feature 4 state-of-the-art kitchens and equipment, 3 smart classrooms, a retail shop for coffee and baked goods, and a first-floor patio for dining and grilling. The site can be conveniently accessed from the Blue Route and from the Pennsylvania Turnpike.
I think food and providing food is central both to humanity and also to our culture in general. And so it's incredibly appropriate that our community college would be providing opportunities for careers in the culinary arts.
The culinary arts curriculum emphasizes hands-on, lab-based learning in a professional kitchen setting. An on-site program director, career coach, and academic advisors will work directly with students from application through graduation to employment.
This endeavor here today demonstrates to me the progress that we have made within our governments and within our society of understanding that governments can't be all things to all people, and that we have to involve the private sector as well. And we have a great demonstration of that here with the Philadelphia Suburban Development Corporation, the community college, and very importantly, a partnership with the township.
The project is made possible by a unique public-private partnership and 10-year lease agreement with Philadelphia Suburban Development Corporation.
The leaders in this township had the vision for a vibrant town center where people could live, shop, do business, study, and enjoy the genuine sense of community.
Culinary students can select from a wide range of programming options that best meet their professional goals. Students can concentrate in professional culinary arts or professional baking and pastry arts in the Associate in Applied Science degree or one-year certificate programs.
For a fraction of the price for a student, they are going to be able to come here and get an unbelievable education in the culinary arts in an area Senator Mensch referred to as clearly fast-growing and one that is evolving and one that will make us a hub of this type of important activity for the entire region. And it's all going to happen at a community college, at the Montgomery County Community College. It is a source of pride for all of us. It is something we celebrate, and it is, again, a model that Bruce Leslie and I aspire to achieve. Efficiency, creativity, and thinking outside the box. And that's what Karen and her team, together with the public-private partnership led by Mark, are able to do here today.
Chef Christopher Allen Tanner will lead the program as the new director of the Culinary Institute.
Real-world experience will be a basis for the curriculum. Each student will be required to go through our Fork and Knife Cafe and Bake Shop as part of their education. They'll have the opportunity to work in an academic setting, learning how to prepare and present food products to the public. The public will have opportunity to taste our student success by purchasing products prepared by their skilled hands.
The college's institute will have the capacity to enroll up to 350 students over the next 5 years. The institute will also support a variety of non-credit courses for the culinary enthusiast and for professional development. Students like Jackie Hill will benefit from the enhanced culinary program.
I came to MCC with a lack of confidence, but with the help of my instructors, whom I have grown to love and respect, I now have the necessary tools to ensure that my future is limitless.
To learn more about the Culinary Arts Institute of Montgomery County Community College, visit mc3.edu/culinary. This is Elena Mauger reporting for The Buzz.